Alright, there's Chick-fil-A right here. Look at these elevators. These are the round elevators at Pennzoil Place in downtown Houston, Texas. Look at this. This is so interesting. I've never seen this before. I actually have been on one in New York City, except that it's glass and this is not. We got that one over there. Wow, look at this. This is nice. P3? Whoa, look at this. And it's hydraulic, so we're gonna hear the motor going up. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. Watch how this thing opens. Alright, we're gonna go to 1. Oop, almost hit the alarm. I'm a P3. Door close button works. I love that. Wow, this is a nice elevator. I'm going to transfer elevators in the parking level. These are your RT fixtures. The pump is submersible. Look at this. Look at this thing. This is so amazing. Let's see, which one will it be? Or should be one of those two. There's your phone right there to call for help. We got that one. So look at this. Isn't this just amazing? Just got a still picture of it. We'll take a ride on this one. Button does not go off till the elevator stops. Push it into the lobby right there. Alright, we'll go back down to end there. I think that's where I got on. This thing's amazing. If people are going to be coming, I'm going to point the camera away. And look who's right there. It's Michael. I'm gonna get another view of that door opening again. Oh, never mind. The elevator just left. I can't tell which one. I can't tell which one will be coming. I just want to get a view of that door opening.
The door is weird.
Oh. So look at this. Oh, watch this. Isn't that amazing? Awesome. And that'll be it.